Hello Divi fans. In this video, I'm going to go over two different features. One is not really a new feature. It is global colors, which I went over in another video. I want to clarify something from the previous video. And another is design variables. Okay, so global colors. The way global colors work is let's change the color here to a global color. Let's change it to, let's see, this green color. Let's change all of these to a green color. To this lime green color. Okay. No, it's not this right one. This one here is a lighter lime green. Global. And what global colors does is it applies this color to all these elements. But if you change the color of even one element, it changes them for all. Let's pick, it's like a forest green. Okay, now if I save this text color, colors, these are all the global colors. Let's add another global color. It's not letting me add one. Oh, so yeah, change that global color. Actually, no, it didn't. It just changed all these elements' colors. Okay, so let's say I want to change the text size. One way you can change the text size is by modifying the presets for all these text modules. Another way is by saving the text size to a variable and then calling that variable. So here I have a font size, which I just called font size. Let's call it something different. I'm going to call it, let's see, text module size. We'll just say body text size, custom body text size. Let's make it 20. Another thing, advanced units. You can select everything from percent, m, rem, viewer width, viewer height, vmin, vmax, degree, grad, ms, rad. I'm guessing that's radians. S is second, turn, so that's a cycle. I'm guessing if you have a circular element, it contains a percent, you could use turn, min, max, clamp. Now, clamp is an interesting unit where it deals with responsive design. So if you shrink the window, it'll be clamped to a min size. Large the window, it'll be clamped to a maximum height. Let's just make it 20 seconds. That's not really a length. 20M to 21M. Let's do 25M. Now I could call this manager to custom. There we go. That is way too big. So let's modify it. Let's make it 12M. It's still too big. Put 1M. Okay, 1.2M. It's about the right size, maybe 1.1M. If you change the text size, let's actually save the text as a preset. So we're using multiple new features of Divi 5. And let's change text size. Save preset. Let's change this preset text 8. And look at that. It's the same. Let's change all of these to text 8 global preset. I'm actually just going to copy the text here. And delete this. Add another text module. Paste text. We'll make this the preset text 8. There we go. I'm guessing I would have to do this for all of them. Not sure why, but okay. Text 8 preset. I'm actually just going to delete this entire row, so I don't have to copy it again. Now if I change text 8 preset here, let's see if I make this. Okay, now it's functioning. Let's change the color. Well, that's a shadow color. I want there to be a shadow. We change the color to red, and then I'll changes to red. Okay, let's do the global color of that lime green. Save draft. Okay, that concludes the video. Remember to like the video, leave comments below the video, and subscribe to the channel.